Hey, what's up everyone? Carl from Acceleration Kart Racing here. We got this new tire tool in. We're going to do a little tutorial on how to use it. So you still need a bead breaker. This doesn't do everything. This only removes the tire from the wheel. So you still need a bead breaker. We've already gone ahead and done, already broke the bead with this RLB bead breaker that works great. And me personally, I've been mounting tires my whole life, so I usually kind of laugh at tire tools. But this thing is actually really easy to use and something I would definitely recommend if you're new to the sport and struggle at all with screwdrivers, any of that stuff. This is definitely a better way to go. So, tire's already broken down. We're going to go ahead and put the beads down so that the back of the tire is facing upwards. From there, we got 3 pieces of this thing, so it's pretty simple. We have a piece that goes in the wheel, which we'll go ahead and place in there right now. And then next, you want to get this basically. You have this, you want to go inside the tire. So, I don't know if you got a good shot of that from here. We're going to go in the tire. It helps if you press down the opposing side of the tire to give yourself a little more of a gap to slide in. And then you want to just bring it back down. Once you bring it down, it's going to pretty much line up with there's a hole drilled in the plate that we've put in. It's going to slide this pin in. So that slides in as easy as that. And then it's just simple as just bringing this around and taking it out. Cool, so there's one side. Grab this out too. Cool, so now that we have the other side off, now we just need this piece. So what we're going to do is pull the tire out so we can see the gap in there. Basically, you're going to have this knob facing towards the wheel. And basically you want to go in and hook the edge of the rim. And then once you get there, you're going to get to this point. Now from here, what I've done in the past, I've pushed the wheel down, which causes the tool to slip out. But if you just leave the wheel alone and let the tool do all the work, just get the tire facing up, like upright, and then just press down. And it pops right out. So it's a pretty easy tool. Don't try and overdo it or muscle it or use any, don't press down on the wheel. Just let the tool do all the work and it pretty much mounts itself. Now we're gonna mount the tire. So that's the only thing that this tool doesn't do is get your initial half of the wheel in. So basically for that, you always wanna start with the back side of the wheel. It's easier to put in and out no matter what you're doing. So you want to just go in at a 45 and press down, but also spin the wheel so it kind of goes in. Once you get it to this point where it's kind of stuck in there, you can usually turn the wheel over and just press down and it goes down pretty easily. So from here, we're going to go ahead and get our plate again. We're going to put it into the wheel. And then basically here on this black you have a rim, a notch cut out for the wheel. And we want to make sure that goes on the wheel. Once that's on the wheel, the center of the tool will have another slot all the way down to the plate that you put in for the pin to go in. Just drop that in, and similar to taking it off, just come right around with it. Take the tool out, and voila, you're ready to go racing.